Hey guys, I'm back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel, and in this video we will be talking about the problems which I faced with Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I will be bringing more and more tech videos every now and then. And I need your support guys because I need to keep making these videos, so please subscribe and help me grow my channel, and at the same time I will be providing you a lot of videos on the latest tech products and especially on the smartwatches in the coming videos. So let's start. So I want to tell you guys that most of the things about this watch are really good. I really like this watch, but there are few things which I didn't like, though this will be a nitpicking video, but there are few things which I didn't like and I want to share with you all. First of all, what I don't like about Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is the touch response, because I feel the touch is a bit slow and sluggish. I don't know why. I have used both watches, Amazfit Beep U and Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and in my opinion Amazfit Beep U has a lot better touch response than the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. I don't know why, but the touch scroll and everything feels a lot smooth in my Amazfit Beep U than the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So if I scroll both the watches at the same time, you can see that the Amazfit Beep U will scroll a little more than the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this one is a minor hiccup, you can say, or a minor bad thing of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Second thing which I don't like about the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is it has this AMOLED display, but that display I think is a fragile display, and if you are wearing this watch or if you drop this watch, the display may get cracked, because you can see this has a curved glass and this glass can break easily according to me, because there is no support in the front of the display. And the funny part is there is no screen guard or protection available in the store or anywhere. I have searched for screen guards and everything for this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, but I have not found any proper screen guard or case for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So I can show you guys, if I search in Google with Amazfit GTS 2 Mini screen guard, so you can see screen protector something. If I search like that, you can see most of the screen protectors are for Amazfit GTS other models, but for GTS 2 Mini there are few screen protectors and screen guards which are not at all good, because according to the reviews and everything they are not good. There is one screen guard available for this watch, but you can see there is a lot of negative reviews in Amazon regarding this screen guard. So definitely it's not a good screen guard. You can see there is some really bad reviews that this doesn't worth the money and all. So I have not purchased this screen protector, and because I am using this watch and my hand can like hit with this watch to somewhere, so you should be careful wearing this watch because the glass is a bit fragile and I don't think it is well protected. On the other hand, the Amazfit Beep U has a well protected glass, I think, and this glass has a plastic coating or something on it which I think will protect the watch a lot. And you can see there is no carved edges in here, so, and there are some raised plastic over this Amazfit Beep U. I think it will be protected because I have dropped my Amazfit Beep U before and nothing has happened to this watch. So this is the second thing I didn't like about this watch. The third thing which I don't like about Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is the Alexa update. So the company has previously claimed that Amazfit GTS 2 series watches will get the Amazfit Alexa update in many regions including India. You can see that India is mentioned, and also Alexa is present in this watch in many countries. Already the update has come for this watch and Alexa is working for this watch in other countries, but in India they have not released the update, and Alexa, though the option is there, is not working. right now in Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So that's a thing you need to consider, because if you are buying this watch, you are not getting Alexa right now, and we are unsure that the update will push Alexa in the later years or later time. So this is the third thing which I don't like about the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The fourth thing which I don't like about the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is when the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini was released, company claimed that it will give a free strap with the orders of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, but we can see there is no free strap till now in the packages of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. And also many websites has already mentioned that Amazfit GTS 2 Mini buyers report no free strap in package company assures of shipment. I don't know why they are not shipping with a free strap, but the good news is we can say that the strap which comes with this watch is really solid and really good quality strap, and I have no problems with this strap. But if the company has assured something, they should be giving. So there is no free strap coming with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, so this you should be keeping in mind. So the fifth thing which I don't like about the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is this always on display. The always on display is very good, it's excellent, it really pops out from the screen, but the only issue is it moves after some time, and one of the guys told me that why this happens is to prevent the screen burn issue. So I'm not sure about that. The always on display moves after certain time, so if it is showing here, it will come and show in here after some time. So this looks a bit awkward according to me, but everything is perfect about the always on display. There is no issue, but it moves. So this thing you should be keeping in mind while buying Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So these are the things which I don't like about the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Everything is super good, super lightweight this watch is, and watch looks really great. Amazfit really thinks about making their watch. It doesn't look a watch like a boy can only wear or a girl can only wear. Both parties can wear, and Amazfit has thought about that. Though it looks a bit feminine according to me, I really like this watch. I'm using this watch, and definitely I will recommend you to buy this watch if you are okay with these problems which the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini has. So that's it guys, I hope you will be liking my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.